Hey guys, so today I'm playing with slime. So I'm not gonna show you how to make it, but here's the slime. Super stretchy and fun to play with. And I'm gonna show you how can you color them. Because some people are asking how can you color slime if you don't have food coloring. It's super fun to play. It does not stick to your hands. And really bulky. I'll show you. So I'm gonna I'm gonna show you how to color it. So I got inspired by Nemsi, I don't know. But yeah, I don't know if I pronounce it, but she also has YouTube. So please like, and I really like her videos. So yeah, I did a Starbucks and then decided to put it here and then nice decorations. It's gonna look like really. So I'm gonna make it this cappuccino, like coffee color. Yeah. Ligo.